fucking popping champagne. Hey y'all, welcome back to the video. I just co-washed and deep conditioned my hair, and so I'm just gonna pinning my hair up so I can work one section at a time. I'm gonna start. I'm using this creme brulee whipped curl cream as my leave-in, and then I'm gonna put just a little bit of the my how you say this, Maui Moisture Curl Quench curl smoothie. Just a little bit of that because it leaves some flakes in my hair and I really don't like it, and a little bit of olive oil. Starting on that back section back there, I got about this much product. And again, you can use as much curl products as you need. I hate when people be like, use a dime size amount. That don't work for my hair. I mean, our hair, especially if your hair is on the thirstier side. Like, I know that don't work for my hair, so yeah, that's about how much I use. And then getting my olive oil. This is the lock. Ooh, snap a little bit too much. This is the Lock Method leave-in oil cream, and it just seals in your moisture so that your hair is super hydrated. I love this method. It if you hear something, that's the washing machine like going crazy. I love this method because it leaves my hair hydrated for like days. And just a tad bit of the curl smoothie. Not too much, but that'll do. You just want to make sure all of your, you want to make sure that your hair is detangled really good. I don't really use combs or brushes, so I'm just making sure my hand doesn't get caught or stuck in my hair, and that's how I know that it's detangled. And so all I do is just 2-strand twisted hair. Very easy, very simple. I don't like my sections to be too small because that's the smaller the twist, the more shrinkage you'll have. And I really don't mind the frizz. I just really love big hair, and so that's why my twists are kinda big. That's about how big it is. Go do the exact same thing for the rest of my hair. So I untwist, apply some of the curl cream, make sure you're putting it all throughout the hair, detangling as you go. My hair about 6 hours to completely dry, but I'm gonna leave these twists in for a few days, and so I'll come back when I'm taking the twist out. So yeah, just twist for your life. But yeah, you can use as much or as little product as you need. I like to use a lot because my hair is always dry, and it my styles last a lot longer when I use more product. And so I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. I'll be back to show you when I get to the front. Okay, I'm almost done. I wanted to show you guys what I do up close. But make sure you take your time and twist because you can get like the hair mixed up and it'll come out frizzy when you take it down. And once you have twisted your whole twist, I use my finger and I twirl the end so that it'll stay like that. And get you a nice little curl. But yeah, I'm gonna make these 2 twists and I'll show you guys how I do that. A little bit of this. Boom. And the front of my hair is way thinner than the rest of my hair. The rest of my hair is very coarse and hard to manage, but the front The front is a breeze. And then you get your little bits of olive oil. Boom, boom. And for the front, I really don't, I'm not gonna put any of the cream because it'll be too heavy. So if you have thinner hair, you wanna watch the amount of product you use. So the front, I'm just gonna do that curl cream and then the oil, and that's it. And again, don't worry about the product. My hair is literally gonna drink it up, literally. But and once you get to the end, do that, give it a twirl, and there you have it. There we go, and these are my twists. Like I said, I'm just gonna wear this hairstyle. Usually put them up in a ponytail and just wear the twist for a few days. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Wear these twists for a couple of days, probably like 2 days, and then I'll come back when I'm taking them down. This is what the twist looks like. So yeah, I'll be back soon. So hi you guys, it's the next day, and so these twists have been up, overnight. And so the only thing you'll need today is some oil, a pick, and some edge control. But I'll use much oil, not a lot, and rub it together and put it on my hair. Make sure you get it all throughout your hair so it doesn't come out that frizzy. And then I begin to untwirl. So I get it like this, and I just take it the opposite way the way I twisted it, and so it's much easier to come down. So I twist it the opposite way and pull. This is the easiest part. And from here, closer. And from here, all I do is separate it even more, and it'll naturally divide where it wants. So just lightly pull it away. See? Pull it apart. This is what happens when you don't take your time and twist your hair. And that's about it. Thank y'all for watching the video. I hope you liked it. If you have any more hair recommendations that you would like to see me do, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.